no idea where my air gauge is.
There's one in my car, I think.
Yeah, but I gave you the crappy one. I kept the good one.
Really?
Uh-huh. I mean, the good news is it's in the garage. Somewhere.
Somewhere?
Somewhere.
So, instead of keeping the good one that you like inside a vehicle so that you know where it's going to be.
I keep it in the garage where I actually use it. Because the only time I inflate stuff is at home. I don't inflate stuff other places.
I've not shown this.
What?
I don't know if I've shown this or not. These are awesome.
Hey, it's the best ceiling fan ever.
No, it's not. No more procrastination. This is getting done today.
Yes. In fact, if you had not walked out, I would probably already be going.
Okay, yeah, but why aren't you?
Huh?
Why aren't you?
Because it gets noisy when I start cranking things up. Once I pop this off, I can pull that plastic thing out and see if I can see. I want to check and see if it's the oil drain plug. That is my problem. Pretty sure. That's where the leak's coming from. I hate these things. Here we go. Yeah, like I'm thinking that might be where my oil leak's coming from, but I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm just gonna leave this fancy thing off. Ugh. Just a plastic thing for the sake of having a plastic thing. Yeah, oily.
Okay, well, I have spent my allotted of outside time for the month, so I'm going back in.
Is the battery about to die anyway?
I don't think so.
I mean, it's been on for 5 minutes. It's gotta be getting close.
It still has three little lines, so it's, according to this, it's still full, but I'm sure that it
So you mean you got about 10 more minutes?
But yes, so.
Okay.
The question is, are you doing the grass and the weed eating?
I don't know. I mean, it's the first cut of the season. Usually right now it's mostly just this chickweed and all the other stuff. I probably won't weed eat today. I'll probably just do the regular grass today.
And should this be the video where we tell our exciting news? Or should we just get a sneak peek of the exciting news and then the rest of the news for the week after?
Well, nothing's official yet, so
I know, that's
I'd say
why.
maybe just a sneak peek.
Okay, so I'm just gonna say this. This is a sneak peek of something exciting that's gonna happen.
At least we hope so. Starting next week. Cool. Okay.
Sneak peek?
Can I cut grass now?
Yep.
I'm going to cut grass now.
All right.
Yeah, she's going to be ornery this year. Like I said, this is my last Husqvarna I'm ever buying.
What'd you do?
Wait, you're outside twice in one day.
Uh-huh.
See, remember I keep telling you that it's important to keep the bush trimmed nice and tidy and clean.
Yeah.
So I'm trimming the bush.
They were very tall.
They were very bushy. So now there's like gaps between them. They're close to the same height. Not perfect, but it's gonna take a few years for them to really kind of grow in. and it will make weed eating around them easier. Plus, I was cutting out all the stuff that the snowstorm broke. A lot of the branches broke out in the snowstorm. Gonna go drag them to the back, dig up the dirt and get rid of like the top layer of whatever's growing in there, and put more dirt on top. That's good dirt, and put the gladiola bulbs in there. That's the plan. First, I need to finish raking up all these limbs, and I'll drag those back around. This way, I won't have to worry about having that water hose strung around the house for this side either. I'm only gonna go deep enough to get out all the flowers that have been growing in there the last few years and all the weeds that have built in. So I'll probably wind up taking about 4 inches out, throw it away into the yard, and then put about 4 inches of dirt in each one. Put the bulbs in. That's the plan anyway.
You know, it could spray paint the...
Yeah, the railing just needs to go away. It's rusted through in spots. Like it's not worth saving. This whole porch needs to just go away. Yes. I'm getting that spraying fever. Anyway, I'm heading to pick up all the bush droppings. That's when I kind of wish I had one of those things you tow behind your lawnmower.